She jumped, but her main parachute didn't open, and when she pulled the emergency, it sent her spinning out of control. She hit the ground at 80 miles an hour, shattering her bones, and the force was so hard the fillings flew out of her teeth. Now, she should have died, but she landed on a mound of fire ants, and they stung her over 200 times. The venom shocked her heart into beating and released a massive surge of adrenaline. And when paramedics finally found her, she was covered in ants but alive.